What's up, guys? Today we're going to be installing the side mirrors for the bike. I just received the package here. I'm going to be showing you how to do it. It's real simple. Here you got these mirrors here. They adjust several ways. So you want to take a 5mm Allen wrench and loosen this just a little bit. Because when you loosen and tighten, this thing expands. The next thing you want to do is go to your handlebar right here, and you basically want to do a little cuts here like that just to get it started, and then just cut out in a circular fashion. Like so. Just like that. And then this should fit in there. Like that. Once that's in there, you go ahead and tighten the screw. And that's going to expand that bolt inside to get a nice, good grip. It's going to be nice and snug. You don't have to worry about it coming off or being loose. There you go. And that's about it. You could move it like this, however you want. Adjust it. And this thing is going to be great, I already can tell. And it's better than the ones that go over here, because you actually, your body blocks the view if it's here. So these are the ones they recommend if you really want to see what's behind you. Now we're probably going to install one on the other side as well. Same process. I'm going to spare you from that. But it's going to be great. Thank you, guys. Please like and subscribe. And I'm going to have more videos coming up. Thank you. Take care.